Discover the scientifically proven solution that gets your baby to sleep like clockwork, even if everything else failed. The next few minutes can literally save your sanity and maybe even your child's life. Click the link in the description to see a scientifically proven way to have your child enjoy restful sleep. The information I'm sharing here with you is entirely based on groundbreaking research done by Harvard Medical School and the Stanford Center for Sleep Science and Medicine. Thousands of parents have tried it already. Baby Sleep Miracle works for almost every child because the tips it contains will regulate your child's sleeping patterns the holistic way. I'm sure you've already tried other methods, so you know many of them are not just ineffective, but downright dangerous. And why would you wish your own little one's health when you can soon enjoy a happier, more relaxed, and easier to parent child who looks forward to his bedtime just as much as you do? Here's what you'll discover in the guide: why you should never nurse or rock your toddler to sleep, and what to do instead, how to release your kid's build-up anxiety in 5 minutes flat, the 7 steps to put any baby to sleep, even if he's cranky, clingy, and everything else has failed, and much, much more. You'll also get 3 free bonuses, together worth almost $200, entirely free of charge. Go check them out. It may be perfect for you like thousands of other parents. Some parents have literally seen overnight results, but every baby is different, and the truth is you'll probably need to give it a couple of days or a week or two before you see your first results. Baby Sleep Miracle picks you up where you are and guides you in simple steps to the point where your little one will sleep through the night every night. The well-being of your child is the most important thing. Baby Sleep Miracle is a holistic and natural system to gently lead your baby to sleep. It is 100% safe for children of all ages, and it won't take you more than a couple of minutes a day to put it into practice. But of course, the decision to join the family of well-rested mothers and fathers is entirely up to you. Go check it out. It may change your life. Thanks for watching today's Bye Bye Wit Online video. Have a nice day.